Hey guys, welcome to another episode of your review channel, and yes, something really different, right? So I took a little tour down Old Town Marblehead in Massachusetts. So this is a little walking tour I just put together for you guys for just purely entertainment only. Just to see what Old Town's like. This is a very historical part of Marblehead. There's a lot of signage, there's a lot of old buildings where the old the mariners used to live. I think they're people from the ship captains, and the sailors, and the ship merchants, and all this kind of cool stuff. So this is what this place is. So these old homes, you'll see some signage, you'll see some restaurants, cobblestone, stoneware, cobblestones in the ground, and brick, and all kinds of cool little stuff. So I wanted to bring you something light and fun. So here it is. Just enjoy the video. If you have any questions or comments, leave down below. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do tons of videos, as you know. I do all kinds of cool and fun stuff, and this is just something different I wanted to put together for you. So enjoy this little walking tour of Old Town Marblehead. Like I said, if any questions or comments, leave down in the comment box, in the description box. That'll be great. Also, let me know if you've been to Marblehead or any other place that you think is kind of cool. So that's kind of cool. I'll have to go around and just get some shots and some fun stuff, something light and fun. That way, if you've never been here in this area, you can see it's kind of slow today. This is like on a Wednesday afternoon. Right now, things aren't really open yet, so it's kind of sporadic during the week. The weekend, I think it's really busier. This place here, usually can't even walk around, so it's really crazy. But cool little shops, cool little antique stores, really like Italian restaurants, French and Italian. You can see a lot of clothing, a lot of designers, so kind of cool stuff. So enjoy the tour. Yeah, lots and lots of antique stores and antique shops, and also a lot of art galleries, as you can see here. I mean, if you've ever been to like a small town community, it has a lot of local artists and local vendors that you can shop with, which is really kind of nice instead of the big box stores. So that's what's nice about this town. It's very quaint and very small. Everybody knows everybody, so it's really kind of cool. Enjoy the video. I love brick walkways like this. This is really kind of unique and different. You'll get this like in the North End in Boston. You'll get this in a lot of little areas like that. But around here, Marblehead, they really have a lot of that kind of real stylish and very boutique-ish kind of feel to these stores. These are really old buildings. So a lot of them upstairs they live, and downstairs is a lot of boutiques, some restaurants, things like that. So this is just an overview. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like the video and also share it with somebody else so they can enjoy also a little bit of downtown Marblehead. Now here's a cool store here. This is some really cool clothing. It's called the Paris Gallery. They have all kinds of different items in here. Very unique, eclectic, all kinds of different kind of cool stuff. Again, very interesting items. Here's a cool place here. This is the awesome lobster rolls. I haven't eaten here, but I heard the reviews are really good. Lobster rolls, $25.99. Crab rolls, $20 and I think 75 cents. Served with chips and a pickle. Gotta love pickles. I wanted to keep it light and hearted, and just really lighthearted with this whole video here, because we do a lot of reviews on the review channel. We do a lot of different things. I wanted to make something fun, upbeat, nice, cool, sound to it, little nice vibe. Look at the little chairs outside. You can sit outside, have your coffee, your latte. There's really that New England vibe, and that's what it is. And during the summer months, it's really kind of cool in this area. Really cool. And again, some of these have these old signs. You can see here, Isaac Turner, 1719 is the year, built by Isaac Turner. He joined in 1719. These are really old. 1719. That's really, really old. I mean, that's just amazing. Just wonderful, wonderful architecture. They really saved all these buildings. You know, these are all protected. They're all, you know, everything's really just really top quality. They all have like little signs on them, what they're about, and you know, a little bit of information about it and who they are, and all kinds of stuff like that. Just really kind of cool information here. So enjoy. And you could just pause the video if you want to read that sign and go right ahead and do that. Go right back and do that. Also, don't forget to share the video. Also, like and share it. Also, subscribe to the channel. Like you said, we do tons and tons of stuff. Here's a really cute look at this courtyard. This is a really nice little courtyard. You know, if someone's gonna sit out there, have their coffee, have lunch. Just really unique. You don't see all this kind of stuff in parts of the country. So it's really unique about Marblehead. They have the especially Old Town. They call it Old Town because it is the oldest part of Marblehead. As you can see, some of the buildings. This is why they call it Old Town. A lot of one-way streets, tough to park, things like that. Things you're used to if you're in a city environment or a small suburb. There's another sign here, 1730. Love the signs. I hope you're enjoying the video. Like I said, this is something really kind of cool and different I want to bring to you. Another great sign, 1880. Benjamin Cole. He's a stove dealer. So he was the blacksmith. He had, I guess, sold stoves. Like that's what you had back then. There's no oil, no gas. It was just coal. I mean, you can burn wood or coal, I believe, and that's just really, really, really kind of cool. Lots and lots of little signs in all these buildings here. 1753. Captain William Whitty, shipmaster. 1753. Okay guys, that's it for me. I just wanted to finish up with the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Enjoy the rest of it, and I'll see you at the next fun review.